4 amazing ways to soothe a crying baby instantly. You are not alone. Many parents, especially first-timers, come to a point where they panic because they can't soothe their baby no matter what they try. And if you ever come to that frustrating point, try any of these simple yet effective ways to soothe a crying baby. Do the rock and shoosh. According to experts, when a baby is carried and rocked, this triggers a calming response in his brain. As a result, his muscles will start to relax and his heart rate will slow down. Adding a repetitive shushing sound will help distract the child from crying because he will focus on the sound more. When your baby starts to wail, try rocking him back and forth using your arms or a carrier while shushing in his ear calmly. Sing to your baby. Music has the safe effect on adults and babies. Listening to a tune helps decrease our heart and respiratory rate and effectively calms our nervous system. So try playing some music and don't limit the tunes to lullabies. Experiment with different genres until you find one that your baby reacts positively to. But don't forget, your baby is most familiar with your voice and hearing you sing will have an instant calming effect on him. Block out the stimulation. Since babies, especially newborns, are used to the dark, quiet and confined space of their mother's womb, they can easily get overstimulated with all the new lights and sounds of the outside world. When your baby starts to cry non-stop, try putting out the lights inside the bedroom. Also make sure that there is minimal noise as much as possible. Use white noise. In the last tip, minimal noise is mentioned as opposed to no noise. This is because babies are used to noise. They can hear you going about with your daily activities while inside the tummy. Consider using a white noise machine. You can download an app, a vacuum cleaner or a fan. These sounds are familiar to the baby as they imitate the sounds he heard while inside the womb. Just keep the volume down to help calm your baby. Follow these simple tricks on how to soothe a crying baby instantly and you'll have time to breathe and relax. Remember, babies grow up very quickly and before you know it, you'll be looking back at this phase wishing your child was still a baby.